Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 2 upon x plus 2 equals to 7 upon x minus 3. X is equals to what? We have to find the value of x. So here we use a method that's called BCM, by cross multiplication. So we multiply this 7 with this whole term. So we write 7 bracket x plus 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by x minus 3. So now we multiply 7 with x, it's equals to 7x plus 7 to the 14 equals to 2x minus 2 3 the 6. So now 7x, my plus 2x, we change plus 2x on other side of equal, it becomes minus 2x equals to minus 6 plus 14, we change plus 14 on the other side of equal, it becomes minus 14. So now 7x minus 2x is equals to 5x is equals to 6 plus 6 minus 14 is equals to minus 20. So now here we divide both side by 5, divide this side and divide this side. So 5 and 5 cancel, so x is equals to 5 on the 5, 5 for the 20. So x is equals to minus 4. This is our answer.